today we have the Bollywood's hot, sexy and gorgeous Swara Bhaskar with us. Yes, she's going to tell us about her exclusive and upcoming projects. It's not that simple. So Swara, welcome to Filmy Mantra.
Thank you.
Okay, so tell us what was your experience about this web series?
So It's Not That Simple is a very amazing 6-part web series which is a story of relationships and the complexities of our managing our relationships in this urban, like very fast-paced life that we lead. I play Meera, who is the protagonist, and Meera is confused. She knows she's unhappy, but she doesn't know what she wants or needs to make herself happy. And so the film explores that. It's a very fresh, a very new, a very rational, and a very honest and unapologetic look at relationships, at marriage, at friendships. So it's all in all really exciting, and it's actually I'm really excited about it.
Okay, so where Swara finds them more comfortable, in web series or feature films?
I don't think I don't make a distinction in content like that, because as an actor आप acting तो वही कर रहे हो यार, चाहे वो film है, चाहे वो television है, चाहे वो advertisement है, चाहे वो web series है. It's just that audience तक वो अलग तरीके से पहुंच रही है. But I'm excited about the web space because it is a new space, and I think that when we watch web content, you're watching it at your own leisure, maybe in your house or your office, with your headphones. So it's a very personal, intimate kind of an watching experience. So I'm interested to know how viewers accept me in that space, in that very private, intimate, relaxed kind of space.
Okay, so have you ever watched any web series? And if yes, which is your favorite one?
Well, actually, I don't know. I really have not watched a lot of web series. I've been looking at some of the new stuff that in India that TVF is doing because my friends are in it. So I've seen some episodes of Permanent Roommates and Tripling and Girl Yappa. But the one that I'm really hooked to is not. It's actually Last Week Tonight with John Oliver, which is this American kind of a political satire-based comedy show, like a talk show. I love that, and I'm following Trump election coverage on all these shows. So I'm like hooked to John Oliver, Seth Meyers, Stephen Colbert, Trevor Noah, Samantha Bee. This is what I'm watching.
Okay, so what exactly matters to you, a marriage or perfect relation?
Okay, I'm not married, and I don't think that there is anything called a perfect relationship, perfect family, perfect love,
But
perfect happiness.
It's
all
there, perfect affair.
perfect affair.
Yeah.
I think that I think for me, I think a happy, stable relationship that ends in marriage is what is a good idea in life.
Okay, so first time you are doing this bold avatar, so how comfortable
very
you was
bold.
doing intimate scenes?
I was very uncomfortable. I was very scared. I was very not happy. I was trying to get out of it, but I was very lucky because Danish is a director who inspires a lot of confidence and a lot of trust. And we had a quite clear conversation before, because I was very clear about, how is it going to be. Let's discuss it beforehand. And then I think I was very lucky to have Vivan, Akshay and Karanveer, who were all very supportive, very gentlemanly, very cooperative and decent about the whole thing. तो हो गया. But I know कि ये सारी चीज़ें screen पे बड़ी glamorous और ये लगते हैं, it's like really shitty and not shitty, but it's like it's a pain to like do it. It's very technical, it's very unglamorous, executing that whole thing. But on the whole, the crew and the team were very sweet, respectful, cooperative and very mature about it. So it happened without any hitches.
Okay, so what do you learn from this web series?
Well, I learned that one big thing I learned was that despite the fact that I'm myself a woman and I think I'm very liberal and modern and so azad and feminist and all, but कहीं पे आपके अपनी mentality में भी वही सारे biases आते हैं जो आपकी society में होते हैं. So the whole time I was telling Danish कि this woman is so horrible, she's such a bitch, how can she behave like this? Danish was like, relax bro, why are you judging her? You're the actor, you shouldn't be judging her, and yeah, she's flawed, but so what? And kudos to Danish that he was like, I'm not going to change the script or whatever, she's flawed. Let the audience watch and decide. So I think that that was a big learning to see that you yourself imbibe every bias that you think you are so against and whatever. That was interesting.
Okay, so इसमें जैसे कि आपने कहा 3 बॉय थे, तो सबसे अच्छा बॉन्ड किसके साथ था आपका?
मतलब लाइफ में या यहाँ पे अभी सिर्फ विवान है, इसलिए मेरा जवाब है विवान. No, I think the nice thing was that with Vivan and Akshay because in the show they are my friends. So we have with both of them I have this really friendly, nice chemistry, and I think that energy kind of translated off the screen as well. So we had a really good time together. And Karanveer is my husband,
Okay.
and I'm supposed to have a not good chemistry with him, but my constant grouse to Karanveer was like, dude, you're playing it so cute कि मेरी अपनी sympathy तुम्हारी तरफ जा रही है. But they were all amazing and they're all fantastic actors, and they have all done a lot of work. Vivan and Karanveer have done work in different platforms, so it was actually good because they were also, you know, they gave me tips and all. So
Okay, so in today's generation, what is your take on love, marriage affair, extramarital affair?
I mean, हाँ, ये कौन देखने वाला है उसके हिसाब से मैं जवाब दूंगी. I think that look, extramarital affairs are as old as marriage, right? The day marriage was instituted, extramarital affairs were instituted. It's human, it happens, it's complicated, it's painful. It seems like, you know, when we're talking about somebody else's life, it's fun, scandalous, gossip. Oh, ये पता है ये इसके साथ ये कर रही है ये वो. But if you're in that situation, I'm sure it's not fun. It's painful for everyone involved. For me, the problem with these situations is not so much the sex, because okay, yes, sex is a part of it. It's the lies. I think that is the problem. So for me personally, I think that I would always want to be in a situation where the lies are either non-existent or minimal or dealt with. I know when I'm in a relationship and I'm telling lies that relationship is over.
Okay, so what was your first reaction when you came to know about this web series?
I liked it. I spoke to Danish and the Voot team, and I really liked the approach that they had because it seemed very mature, very adult. Not adult movie, not that adult, but like very mature, rational, sensible adult, and very honest, very unapologetic. And I was like, you know, this is the right people for this subject to be directing it, and to be directing me in it. So I trusted them and their approach, and I think I was right.
Okay, so after Anjana and Prem Ratan Dhanpaya, now you are doing Veer Di Shadi. Solam
Veer
Kapoor
Di
Ki
Wedding,
Dadi
yes,
Aa Hai.
yes.
So how excited you are?
I'm very excited about Veer Di Wedding. It's a really fun film. It's a film about friendship, camaraderie, girlfriends, BFFs. So yeah, I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited to be working with Sonam, who's a good friend, Riya, who also have a good rapport with, Kareena, who's such a big star but a really chilled out, cool kind of person, Shikha, who's a fab actress. So all in all, really looking forward to it, looking forward to having a great time. The script is amazing, so I'm sure we're going to have lots of fun on
Okay, so
set.
first time you are going to wear bikini also in Veer Di Wedding. So
यार ये मैंने आप लोगों से ही सुना है कि I'm going to wear a bikini. मुझे अभी तक कोई official ये नहीं आया है, but I know that I've been told to lose weight, so maybe that's why. Yeah, I'm starving myself.
okay, so
Not right now, but I will.
okay, so digitalization को आप modern इसमें कितना मानते हो?
मतलब?
आज digital platform like अभी तो web series.
I think that web series are an interesting space that has opened up. They are a good space for new creative experimental content because they don't have the pressures of the box office that films have. They don't have the pressures of TRP that television has. They're not on the clutches of the censor board, which the rest of us are in. So you can really do some new exciting experimental stuff, and I think that that's what we're seeing. I don't think it's going to replace film, television, radio though.
Okay, so who is your inspiration and role model?
In life,
Yeah,
like forever.
yeah, from Bollywood only.
I mean, I don't have any one role model. I admire a lot of people, but yeah, when I came to Bollywood, I wanted to be Shah Rukh Khan. But
Okay.
now I'll let Shah Rukh Khan be Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to say, viewers?
I want to say that please download the Voot app now. That's very simple. That's not complicated, and it's not that simple. Start streaming on the 6th of October. So please watch it.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Go.